Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the great love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick to share with you. Wonders the normally say shall never end. See, this is Progress the Analyst, and here I try my best to keep you updated. I give it to you the way it should be, and this is one of the reasons why you need to subscribe, because I will update you back to back. Now, something happened recently about the bank account that the Biafran people they are using, and some of them are saying that it's not a good idea for the deputy prime minister to bring any bank account from Nigeria, that bank account belongs to Muslim, that the account is for Muslim because of the name. Now she brought another new account again to be used, and some of the people are not finding this funny, that it is not good, that it's not a good idea for Biafrans to be paying money to any account direct in Nigeria that should be online. I don't know what your take is, but I want you to listen to her first, and I'll be right back.
Donation for the 40 state administrators, 40 state accounts. So we got a new bank account for us from Homeland. I'm going to post immediately after this meeting, I'm going to post our new bank account on my Twitter space. So those of you that want to donate to what we are doing, we are making a huge progress, both at home and abroad. And the way things are coming up, we are likely going to be in Homeland sooner than we expect. So that new bank account information, I'm going to post it on my Twitter space immediately after this meeting. So be on the lookout for that, so that you can go and familiarize yourself with that bank account. That's a bank account we are going to start for using for our 40 state administrators. So for those that are saying that the old bank account we have looks like a Muslim account, according to them, like a Fulani jihadist account, let them know that we have a new bank account number. So the look of the bank name, or what the bank is, or where the bank is located now, is not an excuse for you not to donate to what we are doing. So we have a new one with the FCMB, I guess, First City Merchant Bank, and that is the account we are going to be using for the fundraising for tomorrow. And those that want to use the old one is still active. Those that want to use the mandate is still active. So we just have an extra bank account right now added to what we have. And our supporters, they're also trying to get another bank account in Homeland for us that is fully, all these bank accounts we have in Homeland are secure, safe, nobody can touch it. And we are very, very happy. It has been helping us to do what we got to do. So hopefully we're gonna have another fourth one, in Homeland. But for now, we have two solid bank accounts in Homeland. Their friends can use to deposit money, and then we are going to use it for what it is meant to be. So we are doing very, very great. All those people that are telling you, oh, they're going to do this, do that to you, get you, close down your account. Tell them that we've had our Homeland account functioning for over a year, and it's in the public domain. Nothing can happen to that bank. So let them know we are not afraid of anyone. We are doing what is legitimate, legal, and those managing all our account in Homeland are solid people that are well grounded in what we are doing, and they are ready to stand in any international court, world court, to let them know that Biafrans, we have a right to use the bank account we're using. Even if they like, let them publish all the names in that local bank account. It's not going to change anything. It's not going to move anything. So now we are playing that global and international game that they want us to do by scaring us or trying to limit what we can do. or trying to say, oh, they are going to expose this account or mandate account or your account or Taj account. Please do not pay attention to those criminals. That's all they do. Finding a way to make us to be afraid, to stop what we are doing, that is just, and these are not Fulanis. These are not even the people that we are fighting. These are internal, just fellow Biafrans that are just being used by these people to disrupt what we are doing. So they are fully familiar with what they are doing. These are some of the strategies they've used in the past, and people get scared of them. But now they've discovered that those games is not flying anymore. They have to find out another game to play. So I know somebody asked a question here on the chat section. Sorry, I know there was a question. So what are we planning about those governors and politicians against us? Again, yeah. Again, what we do is not what we tell people. Those that think that I will come on the social media every day to be telling them what we do, I think they've entered the wrong bus. You know.
They've entered one chance.
Have I go before when one chance, like our able secretary said. So the question, what are we planning about those governors and politicians against us? Again, what we are doing, we are going to continue to protect our land. We are going to continue to self-defend ourselves. It is our right to defend ourselves from the invaders that are coming to kill us. We have the right to protect our land. And at the end of the day, we are not expecting anyone to come in and do this fight for us. No, we're not expecting any, whether it's international criminal court. We are going to continue to let the necessary papers at the right places. And they are hearing our voices. That's my happiness. And they are telling us to be strong. That is the message I'm hearing from most of the places that our enemies are trying to go and report us and do stuff. You know, what I'm hearing is we must be strong and continue doing what we are doing, that it is our right to do what we are doing. So, Biafran, do not be afraid of any individual. And at the end of the day, what we needed mostly is the finance to help in the humanitarian services that we are doing. And it's not everything that we're planning in homeland that I have to come out and tell us, but I must tell Biafrans that if Nigeria knows what is coming, it is better they just leave Biafra land. They have to leave Biafra land. If they don't leave Biafra land, then we will make them leave because it is our land. You cannot enter my house and I tell you to leave and you refuse to leave. So I will use everything possible, legally or otherwise, to get you out of my house. So again, do not be worried, dear friends. Nigeria invaders will leave Biafra land very, very quickly, very soon. They will leave. That's all I have to tell you. They will leave. Soludo knows what he's doing. Hope Uzodinma knows what he's doing. Peter Mba knows what he's doing. All of them, they know what they are doing. And they know that United States of Biafra is a nation. They know they do not have a right to do what they're doing. They know they are now occupying a foreign land. Those are the statements that the international community is hearing, and they've approved that. So based on those, we will continue to work. And we've already told them to leave. So it is a choice they want to, whether they want to leave or not. It is their own choice. That's all I have to say in answer to the question that somebody wrote. And again, like I said, nobody will do this for us except us. That is why we will continue to do fundraising. The one we are doing tomorrow, please, I encourage every Biafran, increase your fundraising, increase the money, increase that. If you can, increase the money to homeland. This is the money. Once we get enough money, we already got, but once we continue to get enough money, we will continue to establish the things that will make us go home as quickly as possible. And I'm very, very happy to let Biafra know we are establishing so many things that will make us go home as quickly as possible. So just continue your donation, double the donation, triple the donation, quadruple the donations, because we need them. And the way it's raining during donations, like I know it's going to rain again tomorrow, that way is raining in homeland. So let us continue to donate the money. Any help we can get is going to go a long way. Any help we are going to get is going to go a long way. We are inside Biafra. We were in Nigeria before, and we know Nigeria is a heavily corrupt state. So anything we need is inside the zoo. Anything we need is inside Biafra land. So we just need the money. That's all. Thank you so much. I don't know. Somebody talked about Salute should be stopped. He wants to gain popularity from Fulani. That is an old story. If you all know all of them from beginning, that's just what they want and what they're doing. What they want and what they're doing is no longer news. Every Biafran knows that. So the question every Biafran should be asking now is, how do we remove them? How do we remove them from our land? Nothing more, nothing less. Because they must be removed. They must leave our land. They must go. So now, how do they go? And I've told you the answer. Just keep giving money. Just keep increasing that money. They will go. They will leave. Thank you so much. Such miss, and I just text him to be patient. It's going to be on the second batch printing. But we need more people to use the new application to apply. We need to do at least 15,000 applications between now and the next 3 months, please. People, and this application we have now, the form is very, very easy, like ABC. Let us encourage all our wards and all members of our family to go ahead and apply. When you're applying, apply for your family members, please, for your children, for your spouses and your partners, so that they all can be able to be in one batch when we print the ID card and they can get their ID card. So we need as many people to go to the BSA website and apply. I'm going to also post that BSA website so that people can go ahead and do their applications. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, DPM, just round it off for us. We're done.
Okay, we're done. So everyone, let's have a happy Valentine. Take out time from your work and go and get some relaxations and refresh your memories, refresh your mind, refresh your body and soul. And then let's see tomorrow during the fundraising. It's gonna rain again all over. Thank you so much, everyone. I have a good evening. Bye.
So, as I said before, the bank account and the name of the holder has been pasted online. And a lot of Biafran people, they are not finding it funny. They said it is risk for her to bring name of anybody that is still living in Nigeria and the bank account that people should be depositing money on it. That is risk. But to her, she said it is legal and it is legitimate for Biafrans to have an account in Nigeria and be paying money, that the person involved is ready to stand before any court in Nigeria to defend this account. So what is your take? A lot of people did not find it funny at all. They tried to say that no, this is not done. Like when you check the comment section where this account was posted, come and see. These are not people that hate the deputy prime minister. No, these are people that love her so much, trying to say the name of the person displayed publicly and the account number that is risk. So what is your take? Do you see anything wrong in it? Do you think that it is okay and there is no problem about it? Please drop your opinion in the comment section for me. Also, I want to also know. Thank you, and I will keep updating you on all the latest happening. Thank you, and bye for now.